Hello and welcome to this lecture. What is Node.js? Node.js is a runtime environment for server-side and networking applications. Runtime is a general term that refers to any library, framework, or platform that your code runs on. Node.js is also open source. By open source, it means that software that people can modify and share because it is designed for public access. Node.js is also cross-platform. By cross-platform, that means it will work on a Windows machine, on a Mac, on a Linux, so it can work across multiple platforms. Node.js was built on top of Google's Chrome's Runtime engine, which is known as the V8. So it is built on top of Google Chrome's JavaScript runtime, which is known as the V8 engine. Node.js applications are written in JavaScript. It is also lightweight and portable. Developers love Node.js because it enables you to write both your front-end and back-end applications in the same language. Who is using Node.js? There are lots of companies currently using Node.js. Some of the key ones are Yahoo, and then you've got Netflix, PayPal, Uber, LinkedIn. We've got eBay as well using Node.js, and then we've got Google, Trello, GitHub, and we've also got Walmart. So these companies all use Node.js in some aspects of their software. This is just a very tiny list of companies that use Node.js in some aspects of their business or software. If you want a more detailed list, you can do a quick Google search and you should see lots more companies that use Node.js. Hello and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will be downloading and installing Node.js. We will be heading over to this link here, which is the Node.js official website. This is the Node.js official website. So once you are on the website, you see this option here to download for Windows. You could either click on this current one here, or you could go to downloads. And in the downloads, there are different installers based on your operating system. If you are on a Mac, you'll be using the Macintosh installer. If you're on a Windows, you'll be using the Windows installer. And if you're on a Windows, you have to choose installer based on if you've got a 32-bit or a 64-bit. So if I click on Windows installer, it automatically downloads it, and it can detect if you are on a 64 or on a 32-bit. The way to find out is if you go to Start, right click on My Computer, go Properties. It tells you here under System Type if you are running a 32-bit or a 64-bit operating system. So that's what it means by 32 or 64-bit. But if you just click on the installer can detect if you are running a 64 or 32, and based on that, it will download the relevant installer. So it has downloaded it. That's it here. So I'm just going to double click to begin the install, and I'll click run. And I'm just going to accept all the defaults for simplicity. Click I accept and click next. I'm going to accept the default location where it's going to install it to. I'll click next. I'm going to accept everything, the default here, go next. I'm going to click install and give it a few minutes for the installation to complete. The installation shouldn't take too long. It's fairly quick, obviously depending on your processing power on your computer. Once the installation is completed, you will get notification that it has completed. You get this box come up, so click on finish. So we have to now verify that Node.js is on our computer or Mac. So to verify that Node.js has been installed correctly on your Windows PC, or if you're on a Mac, you can open up your terminal, or if you're on the Linux as well. I'm on Windows, so I'm going to open up my command line. I'm going to type in cmd. It will bring up the cmd command, or you can go via accessories. I'm going to click on that, and I will get the command line window. If you're on a Mac, open up your terminal and it should give you the same result as well. So once you've got, if you're on Windows, once you've got the command line open, you type in node in lowercase, you do a space, dash dash, version, and press enter. If Node is installed, it will tell you you got Node version 6.10.2. So if you can see this come up, that means you have Node.js successfully installed on your computer or Mac. So congratulations and well done. So that ends this lecture. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.